Aya. Ang octopus na orange. But orange not come out of the house. He's a young shy octopus. She then goes out to play with the animals not even with her young octopus. Mama octopus heard the call of the young octopus and she octopus my child coat and pork orange octopus just look at her mother and
Answers.
I don't want to go, Mama.
Very good.
But wait,
Why?
but why, dear Mama Octopus asked.
It's
It's my
time.
time to do and
Mingle.
mingle with them. I don't want to. I'm
Different.
different from other octopus, said Sparkle Orange Octopus.
Sadly.
Big lagi mo po.
Ha?
Big.
Big ang
Book.
umbrella. Is that an umbrella?
Oh, umbrella.
Yeah, the big umbrella.
Look up, feet up. Then, umbrella things are that lot. South and oh.
Susan na. Next page na ka. Oh.
Go, my look. Aya. First naman na. First. Ato siya sa zero. Again.